Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now is actually my birthday day. I got a new sweater. My cousin Junior and his family got it for me. So thank you guys. But right now we're gonna mess around with, what are these?
Air guns. They're air guns. But
they're air guns. They have like little mini plastic BBs that which they don't hurt. Which I'm gonna get shot with them later on.
They're,
so you got
they
one
look
and
like
the black one, and you just shoot up in the air.
They don't hurt.
You could.
Cause my brother tried to hit me before.
Watch, look that way. Shine it that way. I'm gonna shoot the fence. Oh, you can't see it.
They're tiny BBs.
Go, Kane. You can't really see them.
Yeah. After this, we're probably gonna go.
Mess around.
Yeah, because we're going ice skating at 5:30 to Edward's birthday.
Okay, let me shoot you now.
So we're gonna this we're gonna play basketball.
Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna get shot with one of these by Kane. So I'm gonna stand.
I'm gonna shoot both of them
I'm
at
standing
the same
right
time.
here. No, just shoot one.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand right there, and then Kane's
I'll
gonna
stand
stand
on
right
the
there.
concrete.
He's gonna stand on the concrete.
Right there.
So you ready, Kane?
Wait.
Here, you can shoot both of them at the same time. This one's already loaded. Are you ready? Yeah. Make sure.
You guys won't probably see the bullet.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna shoot the first one, and then I'm gonna say, hold up. Shoot the second one. Okay?
Mom, we're go over here with you or with
Record me.
Kane?
Yeah, record me over that way though.
Where?
That way, face it this way. No, not towards you.
I know, right that way.
Dude, come in closer.
All right, guys.
More.
Don't shoot
Right
me.
All right, ready, Ken? Tell me when you're gonna shoot. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Shooting. Oh, this.
Go. Okay, that's like nothing.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt, huh?
Doesn't hurt at all.
It just.
At first, I actually thought it was gonna hurt. I was a little scared.
Okay, right, you shoot me.
Okay, now I gotta shoot Kane.
It doesn't hurt. Kane tried to shoot me super close.
Shot.
I want to shoot you.
Put your hood on.
Hold on.
I'm gonna come right here, okay, Evan?
Okay, guys. So, here we go.
30 seconds, go.
Okay, we got 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds, go.
He said that we can go anywhere over here.
Past the red fence.
Just as long as we bring the football back to this.
The green monster.
And there's a glass mug out here.
Okay, let's go on the big toy.
No, you don't want to get on it because you want to be able to move quick.
Okay, let's go. Let's go under the big toy. So.
Okay, guys, so it kind of feels like we're the cops, but we're the robbers because we only have one gun. So let's go.
You could see.
Hopefully the pellet doesn't hit my lens.
Yeah.
If it does, I have another camera to back me up, but it's at my mom's.
Oh yeah.
Just try not to let it hit.
You can use your phone or something.
If Kane or Gabe are pointing at you, just turn on your back. Turn your back.
Hey, I'm gonna put my hood on.
Follow me. Okay, put your hood on.
So it's not noticeable.
No, stay behind me, Right there.
You see Kate?
Hey, we're behind that. Get behind. Get behind.
Go, watch out. Ah, oh, that hurt. That one hurt.
Yeah. No, you didn't get. You got me.
Ow! What the heck?
You got me.
I got you?
Yeah.
Hey, we can't.
Let's go get there.
Oh, you got me!
I got you.
Grab it, grab it!
Just get like 3,
Junior, go. Here.
Kane, shoot him! I need to go back to the room. He did it.
Now we have the pen. Don't know how much time we've left in here.
A bullet left.
And one in the chamber.
That was a lot of running. I got the football. Give it
No,
on.
there was one in the chamber. Now we only got one. Okay. I actually got shot close up and it hurt. Felt like this. I was like, actually.
Ah, that hurt. Okay.
Is that only one?
Where's the football?
Guys, the footballs are here.
He got the football. It's all faded. Looks like an
Look at
ugly
the side.
picture.
Look at the side's coming off.
Yeah. I wanna like get I would wanna. Oh shoot! Go get it. I would wanna slide. Is he there?
No, here. Hold it. Or block the camera.
Oh
Make sure no one's coming.
no! Here. There. Here. Okay, the football's right here. Edward's going to them. I'll keep the football safe. If I get shot, I'm on the green. Going down the slide. Okay. Did we win?
Oh, we have to guard it. Hey, you guys have to try and steal it from us.
Okay, we have to try to guard the.
You guys have to try and steal it back. Go back, go back. We have to guard it now.
Okay, we have to guard it.
You stay on top.
I'm staying on top. Okay. I'm gonna put the camera right there. So I'll go caw 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 caw. He's coming up.
Did I get you?
No.
Ow, ow. Oh, that actually hurt. Time out.
So we got a timeout. Put it down here.
That actually hurt.
It did.
Hey, Kane.
We gotta go steal a football from him.
Dude, my back hurts. I need a break. That hurt.
Oh shoot, you got your sweater dirty already.
I don't know if you dust it off.
Yeah. Oh, you have like a scratch. 'Cause
On the jacket?
Yeah.
Where?
From the barbecue stuff.
Dude, that hurt my back. Is there like a red dot on my back?
Right there, but that's like your birthmark.
No, hold on. Should go up more.
Okay, let's go get the football. Oh yeah, there's a red dot. There's like a red stuff right there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't days, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is also, I'm going to my mom's now because I spent time with my dad and I'm gonna spend time with my mom. But other than that, like I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.